This video is to help you aspiring power divers get in the water and find some power. Look down there, we can see some power right there. So what are we going to do about it? Well, we're going to do a little trick where you drop the sinker right next to the power. Why in the world would you do this? Okay, so right about now, I'm struggling to maintain my spot in the water. You can see the water is very murky. You know, a lot of seaweed around, and you're sort of disturbing the water. That's the problem, right? Now you can see what I'm doing here. I'm pulling my sinker up. So I've grabbed my sinker, which has about 5 meters of rope on it. And that 5 meters of rope is attached to my float, which sits on the top of the water. Look at that, I've just dropped the sinker right next to some Paua. Now there's actually 3 Paua you can see right there. I just pointed to one right there. That's what I'm going to go down and grab. Now on this particular day, they all ended up a bit small. Why would you do this? Why would you drop a sinker right next to the Paua? Well, the problem is that Paua eat seaweed. There we go, grab one off the rocks there. And the problem that you have is that the seaweed has like a lot of algae on it and stuff. So when you swim through the algae and swim through the seaweed, the water it gets all murky. And you can see right here, this is what happens. You've pulled one Paua off the rocks, and then you've lost your place. You can't see where the hell the spot was, and you can spend forever and a day trying to find that same spot, but you know what? You've lost it. The water is so damn murky, and you can't see through it, and you're fighting against the waves and seaweed and everything. But if you drop your sinker right next to your Paua, then all you have to do is find your rope, and your rope will lead you back down to your spot. There I go. I'm looking for my rope, fighting my way through the seaweed, and the water's all suddenly murky now because I've disturbed all the seaweed. Oh, and there we go. There's my sinker down there. That's my spot. Now I can go down and get some more Paua. So that's a handy hint for you. Hope this helps.